You wake up tired, not of the world, but of yourself. You've achieved, tried, smiled, survived, yet something inside you still feels empty. You don't know what you've lost, only that success didn't fix it. Maybe what's missing isn't in the world, but in the soul that forgot where it came from. The silent ache. There's a quiet kind of exhaustion spreading through modern life. You can have comfort, money, even love, and still feel like you're floating and anchored. We call it burnout, boredom, or anxiety, but deep down, it's something older. It's the soul asking, why am I alive if everything still feels hollow? You chase progress, but your heart doesn't move. And the more you have, the less it feels like enough. The illusion. Modern life sold us a promise. If you just keep going, you'll find peace. But it gave us mirrors instead of meaning. We were told to believe in ourselves, yet no one asked what we believe about ourselves. We fill the silence with screens, noise, and goals, but silence is where truth waits. Freedom turned into fatigue, and pleasure became escape. Because when the world replaces God, the soul becomes homeless. The question, what if this ache isn't failure, but a reminder? What if your sadness is your soul remembering what it was made for? You were never designed for endless consumption. You were designed for connection, but not connection through likes, applause, or attention. Connection with the one who made you capable of love in the first place. The revelation. Allah says, and I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me. Quran 51-56. This is not limitation, it's liberation. Because when you align with divine purpose, life regains its center. Islam doesn't demand you to abandon the world. It teaches you how to live within it, peacefully, to work with honesty, to love with purity, to suffer with patience. That is worship. This is why Islam is universal, not a culture, but a cure for human imbalance. The return. Now you understand. Peace isn't found when life becomes perfect. It's found when your heart stops running from its creator. The same world still spins, but now your soul stands still, steady, grounded, alive. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. Quran 13:28.